hauling cross-country miles or crawling trails off the pavement, you definitely do not want a dash cam that just looks good on paper. You need one built to keep up. Truckers and overlanders deal with harsher conditions than city drivers. And the best dash cams for this crowd need to do more than just record. They pack wide-angle 4K coverage, front and rear, reliable GPS logging, heat-resistant builds, and parking modes that actually trigger when something happens around your rig. So, in today's video, we'll show you the 5 best dash cams built for truckers and overlanders. Purchase links are down in the description. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's begin. When you're out on long hauls in a truck or in a big SUV, you just want to know everything's being recorded clearly. And that's exactly why the Ark 900 ends up at the top of this list. It's designed for people who care about their security and protection, just as much as they care about their adventure. Backed by nearly 30 years of innovation, Thinkware has built a strong reputation for reliability, trusted by drivers worldwide. Its dual HDR processing keeps glare and shadows in balance, so you don't miss license plates or road signs. At night, Super Night Vision 4.0 enhances visibility without adding grainy noise, keeping footage clear even in dark environments. And if traffic is moving fast, you can switch to higher frame rate recording to keep everything smooth and detailed instead of choppy. One of the standout features is its 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen, which makes it incredibly easy to review footage, adjust settings, and manage recordings directly on the device. No need to rely entirely on your phone. But when you do want to access footage your way, it supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth through the Dashcam Link app, along with USB Type-C cable connectivity, giving you fast and flexible options for viewing and transferring files. For truckers and overlanders, parking protection is just as important. The Ark 900 comes with a hardwired kit and energy-saving features, helping to prevent battery drain. Its smart parking modes detect motion and impacts, recording only when necessary, while time-lapse recording helps maximize storage efficiency. With support for up to 512 GB of external memory, it ensures long-lasting recording without storage concerns. Durability is another major advantage. Thanks to its built-in supercapacitor, it can handle extreme temperatures far better than traditional battery-powered dash cams, making it especially reliable even in harsh desert heat or long road trips. On top of that, all Thinkware models have passed 144 rigorous in-house reliability tests, ensuring dependable performance and long-term reliability in real-world conditions. So for truckers and overlanders, the Ark 900 isn't just another camera on the windshield. It's that quiet backup that's always looking out for you, wherever the road takes you. Now, if you want to see everything inside your SUV, not just the road ahead, that's where the Viofo A329S really starts to shine. It's a 3-channel setup, and the big highlight here is coverage. You get a 4K front camera, a 2K rear camera, and a 2K ultra-wide cabin camera with a 210-degree field of view. So for truckers, rideshare SUV drivers, or anyone hauling gear and people, this gives you a full picture of what's going on around and inside your vehicle. The front camera uses a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which means solid, low-light clarity and strong dynamic range. Night drives look balanced, and details like plates and road signs stay readable. It also supports Wi-Fi, GPS, parking mode, and large storage support. For someone who wants maximum viewing angles and cabin monitoring, the A329S makes a lot of sense and offers strong value. But when you compare it to the Ark 900, especially in overall polish, dual HDR balance, and that front and rear focused 4K performance built specifically for long hauls and security, the Ark 900 still feels more premium and purpose-built. The A329S is great for coverage lovers. The Ark 900 is still the one for drivers who prioritize top-tier reliability and image confidence above everything. Now, if you drive a big SUV often, a lifted 4x4, or even a truck with blind spots that feel like black holes, the Wolfbox G900 TriPro bumper version brings something different to the table. This one isn't just a dash cam. It's basically a full rear-view mirror replacement with a large touchscreen display. So instead of a tiny screen stuck to your windshield, your whole mirror becomes a live camera view. It records in 4K from the front and adds rear and bumper cameras, giving you a 3-channel setup that's especially useful for parking, towing, or navigating tight trails. The bumper cam is the standout here. If you're reversing a big SUV or lining up a trailer hitch, that lower angle camera really helps you see what's directly behind you. Night vision and wide viewing angles also help when visibility gets tricky. It feels modern, and for drivers who struggle with blind spots or want that digital mirror experience, it's honestly very appealing. If what you want is fantastic for improving daily driving awareness and parking control, the Wolfbox G900 TriPro bumper version can be a good option to choose. Alright, so next up we have the Redtiger F17 Elite. This one is kind of like the all-rounder entertainer on our list. It's a 3-channel dash cam with a 4K front camera, a 2.5K rear camera, and a full HD cabin camera, all backed by Sony Starvis 2 sensors and dual HDR to give brighter, cleaner footage, whether it's bright daylight or evening shadows. What makes it stand out is that it pushes full-color night vision, meaning you get color footage inside the cabin at night rather than just black and white. That feels really cool if you want more context of what's happening inside your vehicle after dark. You also get a 3-inch touchscreen for easy control and high-speed 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6, so downloads are way faster than older 2.4 GHz cams, and built-in GPS, so your route and speed get tagged to videos automatically. Voice control lets you manage basic commands hands-free, and loop recording with G-sensor collision lock makes sure critical clips get saved separately. A supercapacitor power design helps it handle heat and cold safely, just like many higher-end cams. So if you're someone who really loves colorful night recording and fast Wi-Fi transfers, this dash cam feels like a big step up from basic options. And last but not least, we've got the Botslab G980H. This one's like the broad-eye watchman on the list. Instead of just front and back, it brings in 4 cameras so you get a full 360-degree view, a front camera at 3K resolution, plus rear, left, and right, cameras each at full HD. That means you're not just protected on straight interstate drives. You're covered from every angle, which is perfect for big trucks or SUVs with those pesky blind spots. You'll find a 3.18-inch touchscreen right on the unit so you can view angles live or scroll through footage without needing an app, a built-in GPS that syncs with Google Maps for accurate route data, and Wi-Fi for faster transfers. There's voice control for hands-free commands like show rear, and even a fatigue alert that offers a reminder after about 2 hours of continuous driving, which is nice for those long hauls. Parking modes like Sentry and Time-Lapse help keep an eye on your rig 24/7 if you hardwire it. The power system here uses a supercapacitor, which is safer, and you get loop recording, G-sensor locks for collision clips, and support for SD cards up to 512 gigabytes, enough to keep days of footage without constantly swapping cards. And in real life, this feels like a very solid option for people who want all directions covered rather than just front-back feeds. So that wraps up our video on the 5 best dash cams built for truckers and overlanders. Since truckers and overlanders often drive through harsh conditions on long hauls, choosing a reliable and durable 4K dash cam is essential. Hopefully this video helps you make the right decision, and you can find the purchase links in the description below for your convenience. Let us know your favorite pick in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.